thankful for trees. How trees sustain our planet. First, a tree is food. Would life be satisfying without trees? It would not. Sweet sap to gather. Pecans to pick. Nuts, berries, bark. To crunch, munch, and lick. Leaves for a koala. Bamboo shoots for a bear. A giraffe stretches up where an acacia tree's fair. Apples and syrup for you. Cherries and chocolate for me. People and animals are fed tree by tree. Second, a tree is comfort. Would life be good without trees? It would not. What gives you a seat? A floor for your feet. A place you can sit with your family to eat. What gives you a sofa? Shh! Some comfy chairs. A way to the attic with pull-down stairs. A baby's cradle. A double-decker bed. A dining table with a mom at the head. Places to sit. Places to slumber. A tree is lumber. Third, a tree is music. Would life be melodious without trees? It would not. Pianos and bongos. A violin and bow. The moan of a cello, lonesome and low. The pum-pum of a drum. A guitar's twangy strum. Tree wood makes music zing, ping, and hum. Fourth, a tree is art. Would life be beautiful without trees? It would not. Paper for drawing. Recipes for cooks. Signs, magazines, glorious books. With brushes and paint. Or drawn by yourself. a creation on paper, displayed on a shelf. Each artist is different, but all can agree a tree inspires creativity. Fifth, a tree is recreation. Would life be fun without trees? It would not. Paper kites swirling. Boats floating by. Tall trees reaching up help us see sky. Oars and paddles. Benches with slats. Skateboards, balance beams, and long wooden bats. Tree wood shapes toys for girls and for boys. Sixth, a tree is home. Would life be comfy without trees? It would not. Sturdy branches to swing from. Hang on or rest. A perfect forked branch holds a neat little nest. Habitat for a frog. A burrow in roots.
This big hole is mine,
say an owl's loud hoots. Protection and shelter. Under a wide, leafy dome. A place to sleep. A tree is a home. Seventh, a tree is life. Would life be possible without trees? It would not. Storms, fires, floods, all kinds of construction. Trees need protection from man-made destruction. No place for a bird, no shade, and no green. Trees make the earth rich and keep our air clean. Explore a cool forest with its pine-scented breeze. Just remember, forever, be thankful for trees.
If you don't have books, what are you waiting for? It's a kid-safe, ad-free library full of storybooks brought to life. My favorite story on Vooks is The Unicorn and Horse, because the horse feels like he's, well, not beautiful, but he actually is. I'm going to explore more on Vooks, and you should too. Don't wait around. Ask your grown-up and start exploring more fun stories like these. You'll be glad you did.
Thanks for watching. For more stories, try the Vooks app for free today.